Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change password on Windows 10. So let's get started. First open the settings app on your Windows 10 PC. You can do this by clicking on Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing Windows key plus I on your keyboard. This will open Windows Settings app. Once you have the Settings app open, click on the Accounts option. This will take you to the account settings page. On the left hand side of the screen, you will see a list of options. Click on Sign In options. Now click on Password option. If you have already set up account password, then you will see Change button. Click on Change button. On pop-up window, enter current password and click on Next. On the next screen, enter new password, confirm password and enter password hint. Once done, click Next, and on the next screen, click on Finish. And that's it. You have successfully changed your password on Windows 10. Remember to keep your password safe and secure, and change it regularly to keep your computer and data protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech videos.